Hey Stampers, welcome to another week of Watch It Weekly Wednesday. I'm Aubrey, and today I'm excited to talk to you about our Sale-A-Bration catalog that is going on right now. Sale-A-Bration, it started January 3rd and it goes through March 31st of 2018, and there's a lot of fun things that you can get from this. So the deal is, if you place a $50 order, you can choose one thing for free. But also in the catalog, new this time, there are a few options. If you spend $100, you can get a few things free, which seems kind of crazy, but they're really cool products. I wanted to show you my very favorite product in the Sale-A-Bration catalog this time. The first one is this Amazing You stamp set. I think this is such a cute one. I love, love, love the flower in it. And it has really cute sayings that go along with it too. But the really cool thing about this is that also in the Sale-A-Bration is the Celebrate You Thinlits, which is just as fun because these two coordinate together. And I love that they've done that. So I'll kind of show you here in the catalog itself. Here are some cards using the Celebrate You Thinlits and the Amazing You stamp set. The cool thing about these Thinlits is that it says right here, Thinlits will be available in the 2018-2019 annual catalog, which is really exciting that it carries over and that we can use those for an extended amount of time. So I wanted to show you some cards that we have made and received from fellow demonstrators using these sets from the Sale-A-Bration, and just kind of give you an idea of what they look like. So here is one. This is just using the stamp set. The cute, oh, those flowers, I just love them. I love them, I love them. So just using the flowers, and then you have the little sunburst here and the Celebrate You. And then this is one using both the Thinlits and the stamp set. So you have your Amazing, 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 Amazing You. Very cute. And then another using both the stamp set and the Thinlits. So pretty. And another. Ooh, and I love this one with the gray and the silver. So striking. And another. And then here's a few just only using those Thinlits. I thought this was really cute. This is also the Sale-A-Bration paper that's in the Sale-A-Bration catalog as well. So cute, making a little present stack is what that looks like. And Celebrate. And then Celebrate You. And this is a cute fold on that too. Just kind of showing that little piece of paper down there. So if you have any questions, or if you have not received a Sale-A-Bration catalog and you would like one, please let us know. We'd love to send one to you. And if you have any questions about Sale-A-Bration, how you order, and what you need to do to get some of the really fun product in here, please let us know. Thanks so much for watching this week, and we'll see you next week for another Watch It Weekly Wednesday.